This book is over 4,000 years old, and yet its rules still decide who becomes wealthy today. These are the principles that built wealth long before modern banks existed. Before you pay anyone else, pay yourself. Save at least 10% of your income. Most people lose money through habits they never question. Control your expenses. Money that sits still disappears. Money that works multiplies. Never risk your savings on something you don't understand. Protection comes first. Wealth grows where understanding exists. Ignorance is expensive. Fast money usually disappears faster than it arrives. Wealth is built through consistency, not excitement. Your greatest asset is your ability to earn more tomorrow than today. Time rewards patience. Rushing destroys wealth. Wealth grows when spending stays controlled. Debt steals future freedom. Learn from those who already succeeded. Most financial mistakes come from ignorance, not bad luck. One mistake should never destroy everything. Money moves where attention goes. Discipline works even when motivation disappears. Capital creates momentum. Wealth without protection is temporary. Delay is the silent killer of wealth. These rules survived thousands of years. Money hasn't changed, only people have.